In this video, you'll learn how to create a multi-vendor food ordering website similar to Zomato and Swiggy using WordPress. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the option labeled Sites from the main menu. This section is where you will initiate the creation of your new site. If you do not see the menu, you may need to sign in to your WordPress account. Next, find and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option will guide you through the process of setting up your website by leveraging artificial intelligence. After clicking, you may see a loading screen as the AI prepares to assist you. Once the AI is ready, you will be presented with a message stating, make a website as unique as you. This indicates that the AI is set to help customize your website according to your preferences. Ensure you read through any prompts or suggestions provided for a better understanding. After this, type in the phrase, create a multi-vendor food ordering website like Zomato Swiggy into the provided text box. This action helps the AI understand your specific requirements for the website. Make sure to enter this information accurately before proceeding. Click on the Enter button to confirm your input. Once you do this, the AI will begin processing your request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the input has been received and is being acted upon. Following this, a message will appear stating that WordPress.com can create a multi-vendor food ordering website like Zomato and Swiggy. This confirms that your request has been recognized and the AI is now ready to move forward with the setup. Next, you will need to type in a choice from the options given above. This step is crucial as it will help refine the AI's approach in creating your website. Ensure you select a relevant option that aligns with your vision. Click on the Enter button again to submit your choice. The system will process this input and you may see a progress indicator as the AI continues to work on your request. Now you will be prompted with a message asking, what should your website be called? This is where you will define the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Take a moment to think of a suitable name. Type in the name of your site into the provided text box. This name will represent your food ordering platform, so choose wisely. Once you've entered the name, click on Enter to confirm. After confirming the site name, you will see a prompt asking for a tagline or description that should show in search results. This tagline is essential for SEO purposes and helps potential customers understand your service. Type in a catchy tagline that effectively describes your business. This description will be displayed to users in search results and social media previews, making it important for attracting visitors. Once you've entered the tagline, click Enter to proceed. Next, click on the button that says Create My Site. This is the step where you finalize your setup process and the AI will begin creating your multi-vendor food ordering website based on the information you've provided. You will then see a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is currently working on your request. Depending on your internet speed and server response, this may take a moment. Wait for the AI to generate your site. You may see progress indicators during this process. It is essential to remain patient as the AI compiles all the necessary elements to create your website. This might take a while, so ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. A slow connection could delay the process further, so it's recommended to check your speed if the loading takes longer than expected. Once the site generation is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your multi-vendor food ordering website is ready. At this point, you can begin customizing and adding content to your new site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.